I'm Jan Scholten, pre-sales consultant for SINEC Software Solutions for efficient network management at Siemens. Today, I will show you how to get started with SINEC INS. SINEC INS is the latest member of the SINEC software family and stands for Infrastructure Network Services. INS is addressing customers that need to provide services to the network in a quick and easy way without collecting open source software solutions from different manufacturers. INS offers one installation setup routine, one web server with one uniform user interface for configuring the network services for your industrial network. So let's get started with INS. I already downloaded, extracted and installed SINEC INS in a Linux-based system. After the first login at SINEC INS homepage, a new password must be defined for the default user. After login, SINEC INS shows an overview of all services. Each service can be configured and enabled now. In system administration, global settings of SINEC INS can be configured. This includes, for example, users, roles, rights, importing of a web server certificate, and connection to a UMC server. Let's start with the Syslog Service, which allows us to centrally collect events of devices that support the Syslog standard. After enabling the service, interface, protocol and port can be changed, filters can be added. The relay function allows forwarding of Syslog messages to a central Syslog receiver, like an existing Siemens system. If secure Syslog is used, additional options, like selecting the certificates for server and clients, are available. Network Time Protocol, NTP, is a standardized protocol for time synchronization. After activation, interface, protocol and time source can be changed. Possible sources of time are host time or an available NTP or GPS server. For secure NTP, the keys can be added. The configuration of all other services are similar to the ones we've shown. For user authentication and network access control, the SINEC INS radio service can be utilized. Configuration of the users, clients and end devices is done here. To resolve domain names to IP addresses, a domain name service, DNS, is included in SINEC INS. It can be enabled and configured like shown here. Lots of IP addresses have to be handled in modern networks today. It's easy to manage these addresses using SINEC INS DHCP server. It provides available addresses or reserves addresses for specific devices. Information like default router, DNS server or NTP server can be added. For file transfers like backups, firmware updates or configurations, SINEC INS offers two different ways. The Trivial File Transfer Protocol service, TFTP, makes it easy to provide files in a central location. The Secure File Transfer Protocol service, SFTP, includes the same functionality but adds security features like authorization and encryption. Both services allow downloading, uploading and removing of files. On the dashboard, you can always check the status of all services. Want to know more? Visit siemens.com/SINEC and get more information about the advantages of SINEC INS. You can also find a link to the free demo version in the video description.